This is a Saturday afternoon, and on Monday Winnie is going into the garage to get the rust removed. We have to empty the whole car. I don't know if we can actually do it in time, and what do you think?
We've got too much stuff.
Yep, indeed, we have too much stuff. It looks very messy at the moment anyway, because we are still at the Hotel Westphalia. And thank God it's not that hot today. It used to be 40, but now the thermometer says only 34. This is our steep step towards the apartment. I'm going to follow it in. Gonna hold on to the rail here. She upgraded us to the large apartment, which is excellent because we need to have lots of space for our stuff. We've got an ante room with an iron board that we won't need. And this is our bathroom. With it's small, but it's clean. Good enough.
So this is motorhome size kitchen.
Well, we got an electric stove and some utensils, which we probably won't use because we use our stuff. We might even go out for meals all the time, who knows. Ellen's looking forward to that.
What? Look what we have here.
A super sized fridge, brand new. Super. Okay, it's gonna be ready-made meals, frozen meals, because we have a microwave. We haven't had that in a long time.
Oh yeah. We need a cover.
It's gonna be a week of luxury. Then we have our little seating area, and then look at this. It's
TV. But
it's a really nice way of dividing the room. My working space and our TV room, almost cinema size screen, and we got the really flashy lion bed. Oh no, what is it? A zebra? Whatever. A jungle bed. But isn't that great? We can open the windows, we've got 2 fans running, and we've got air conditioning. And all of that, I mean, this is probably 100 square meters, no, not quite, but I don't know, maybe, I don't know, way over 50, for $30 a night. Are we complaining?
Not yet.
have to take everything off the walls as well. Thank God it's not so hot today. I'm taking our stove out just in case. One of the most used parts next to the toilet in this motorhome, and we don't want to lose it. It's getting emptier and emptier in here, which is actually pretty cool. The apartment is getting fuller and fuller, but that gives us a good chance to clean everything up and see what actually needs to be cleaned. We just noticed a few things behind the walls. You can see how dirty they are. Wir haben es geschafft, das Auto ist leer. Wie spät?
25 nach 4.
25 past 4.
We started an hour and a half ago, 2 hours.
About 2 hours to empty everything.
2.5 hours maybe. How long is it going to take us to put it all back?
Longer, that's for sure. Done. Final shot before we close off the doors. Everything done. So after about 3 hours, we filled the front room of the apartment, but it's actually not too bad. How do I feel? So exhausted. Those bloody steps. Way too steep. I'm going to hurt tomorrow, that's for sure. How about you?
That was really hard work. 3 hours. Oh God. It's going to be even worse when we have to put everything back in. But all I want now is cappuccino.
Cheers. It's going to take us 6 hours to put everything back.
You mean we're going to do it in a day? Never. A hot shower. Burger and fries. No, that would be good. Not bad for 2 old biddies, huh?